going to show you a few little pointers that I did. This is a motion light LED. I got these from Amazon, and I'm going to show you how I fixed them up inside the coach in the cabinets. But this one is at the entryway. As you open the door and you start in at night, it lights up the steps. So let's look at the other applications. This is our pantry area, and one of the problems is it had a light that came on when you open it at the very top, but then the shelves were very dark. So what I did, as you can tell here, is I put the lights in the back of the cabinets to where as soon as the door opens, they all light up and light up the pantry area, and you can see what's in there. So that's working pretty good. The other area was in the bathroom, and I put them in the shelves here, and like if I reach up to grab something off the top shelf, if I have something up there, it lights up as well. So you can tell how well it lights up. I just have an extra light in there that I put down on the cabinet on the sink area at night, to where when you open the door it comes on. But these little lights they work real good, and they go off automatically after a while, and then it lights up, you can see what's on the shelves and stuff, and it works real good. I got these from Amazon, and they come as a 6-pack, and they use the little small batteries. I think there's like 4 of them in here, and you put them in on this end, and then what you can do is you just peel this strip off and stick it on wherever you want the light to be mounted, and then the light just magnetizes to the strip, and it holds it up there very strong, and it's never comes off. And that way it's easy to just peel the light off, and the strip stays on the wall wherever you have mounted it when you get ready to change the batteries. So anyway, Amazon, there's a 6 that comes in a package of 6. I think they were like $30, $25 or $30 on Amazon. But you can just query motion lights on Amazon, and it'll show up for you. Have a nice, blessed day.